Hey, do you own a credit repair company or are you looking to start a new one? Are you having issues obtaining a merchant account for your credit repair business? Well, good news! With over 10 years of experience, Nerdy Payments has the solutions to help you obtain a hassle-free merchant account and a fully automated back-end support system for your credit repair business. This process allows you to streamline the entire credit repair process through AI-driven dispute technology. This technology resolves student loans, medical bills, timeshares, unsecured debt, and more, eliminating the need of spending countless hours generating dispute letters yourself. In addition to having negative, inaccurate, and unverified items removed, your clients will have access to a licensed consumer protection attorney at no cost to them or you. Ready to fully automate your credit repair business and accept payments? Well, click below and let's get started.